Hello everyone, my name is Shogov.
Hello, my name is Linda.
Say goodbye to slow and inconsistent manual screwing. Hello everyone, my name is Shogov and I am from Turing Next. And we are located in Dongguan, China. Today I'm going to introduce you a new machine and we can see what is this. This is a connector for injection mold. There are two types of connector. This is the small one and this is the big one. With this machine, you can easily screw your connector first with good quality. And today I will show you how to operate this machine. Look, there is a monitor where you can control everything. Now, set the monitor and start screwing. Look, it's done. And I'll do it one more time. It is designed for high speed production and the reliability. So, and it will replace the need for 4 manual labor to one machine. It is very easy to operate.